Friends, today I am going to work out exercise 12a. In my last video, I defined a polynomial, that polynomial is an algebraic expression which contains non-negative integral part exponents. It means if power of an algebraic expression is non-negative and if it is a whole number, then that expression is called a polynomial. So in question number 1, what we have to find? Let me read the statement. Which of the following expressions are not polynomial? So there are many expressions and we have to choose the expressions which are not polynomials. So second part, it is 10p square plus 7 by p minus 2. This expression can be written as 10p square 1 by p is p to the power minus 1 minus 2. Now see, here p is variable. In first term power of p is positive, but in second term power of p is negative. Since it contains a negative power, so it will be not a polynomial. So it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial as it contains negative power of the variable. Again, fourth part is also not a polynomial. Sixth part is also not a polynomial. Let me do the sixth one. X square plus 1 by x square. Just like the second part, we can rewrite this expression as x square plus x to the power minus 2. Since it contains negative power, in second term the power of x is minus 2. So it will be not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Next, 10th part, 7x to the power minus 2 plus x to the power minus 1 plus 8. Now see, in first term the power of x is minus 2 and in second term power of x is also minus 1. So this is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. So any algebraic expression, if it contains negative power or a fractional power, that expression is not a polynomial. Next, question number 2. Write monomials, binomials, trinomials or polynomials to classify each polynomials and state their degrees. First part I am doing 5x. How many terms we have here? One term. So it will be monomial. As I explained in my last video, that if there is one term, that algebraic expression is a monomial. If there are two terms, that algebraic expression is binomial. If three terms, trinomial, and if more than three terms, polynomial. So it is a monomial and degree of this monomial is 1. What is degree? Degree is the highest power of the variable. Here variable is x and its power is 1. That's why degree is 1. Thereafter, number third, minus 11 minus 7x. See, how many terms we have here? Two terms. So it will be binomial. it will be binomial. And what will be degree? See, here x is variable and its power is 1, so degree will be 1. Next, number 4th, x square plus 3x plus 7. How many terms we have here? 3 terms, so it will be a trinomial. And degree will be highest power of variable. Here x is variable in second term, its power is 1. Here x square, in x square, x is variable and highest power is 2. So in this polynomial, the highest power of variable is 2, that's why degree is 2. Thereafter, sixth part, m minus 8m cube plus m to the power 4 minus 2m square. Now see, how many terms you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. As I told you that if number of terms is more than 3, then that is a polynomial. And degree will be, listen, just you check, m is the variable, here power of m is 1, here power of m is 3, here power of m is 4, and here power is m is 2. Then what is the maximum power of m? 4. Then degree will be 4. Just one more example to make you clear. Second example, second part of this question, 17 x cube y square z square. Now see, try to understand this. This question is important. Here we have 3 variables multiplied together. Here we have 3 variables multiplied all together. In such a situation, if there are more than 2 variables together, then in order to find out degree, we have to add the power of the variables. So since we have one term, so it will be monomial, and degree will be equal to sum total of the powers of x, y and z. Then power of 3 x is 3, power of y is 2, and power of z is 1. Then power 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 6. So 6 is the degree of this given polynomial. Now question number 3. Arrange in descending order or descending degree in x. The given expression is 4x square y square minus 7xy cube plus 2x to the power 4 minus 3y to the power 4 plus x cube y. Now we are going to write the terms in descending degree in x. Then see, we have to see x. So what is the maximum power of x? X to the power 4. That term will be written first, x to the power 4. Thereafter x cube, the second term will be x cube y. Thereafter third term will be 4x square plus y square plus 4x square y square, and thereafter next term will be this one, x, then minus 7x y cube, and finally 3y to the power 4. See here, power of x is 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, and finally 0. Thank you children for today. We will discuss the remaining sum in our next video. Thank you. That's all.